Hello guys and welcome to my new tutorial that will show you how to remove a status from WhatsApp using the latest update available from 2023. WhatsApp is a popular messaging application that constantly improves its features and interface, including editing option and managing your statuses. If you're a user who values privacy or simply want to change your status, stay with us as we guide you step by step on how to achieve this in latest version of WhatsApp. First, go to App Store or Play Store to check for latest updates. After that, open your WhatsApp application on your phone. Then click on updates in the bottom left corner of the screen. See the status section here. All you need to do is click on image here to delete it. Click on the three dots here. From the menu, select the last option, delete. Confirm the deletion of the status by clicking delete one status update, and thus you have deleted the status, in the new update. We hope we have helped you. If you like the video, please leave a like. Thank you for watching and see you soon.